How to buy Pepe coin on MEXC Global. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can buy Pepe coin on MEXC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through the video. First things first, you can open up your MEXC and you want to make sure that you have USDT on your account, so you can either deposit USDT or you can buy USDT. So once you have it, what you can do is you can head over to the markets tab and head into the spot trading here. Then you can also head into the trading tab as well directly. And now here from the drop down, you can search in for the USDT and Pepe pair. So USDT. So you can see a Pepe and USDT, you want to get it. And now you want to see the buy option. From here you can choose the limit or any option here, market, stop limit. Then you can choose the quantity. Then you can go ahead and buy the PP from here now. So this is the option how you can buy PP or buy PP coin on MEXC Global. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.